Good evening, swimmers. I'm JJ Kinahan, Chief Derivative Strategist with thinkorswim, and here is our wrap-up for the evening of October 27, 2008. Boy, what a last half hour that was. The Dow gets smacked in the last half an hour, closing down 203 points on the day after being up 200 points earlier in the day, almost a 500-point range on the Dow today. It was absolutely insane. The VIX, which was down almost 8 points at one time today, finishes up 93 cents on the day, closing just over 80, the first time we've broken 80 on the close. In the Dow today, three advancers. Verizon being our big advancer today, up over 10%, and if it wasn't for Verizon, we'd really have an ugly day on our hands. 27 decliners, the usual suspects. GM down 9%. The banking stocks down again. I know it's a shock. Citigroup down, Bank of America down. It's getting to be an old story, isn't it? Well, as I say, we have the VIX up a bit. And why is this all? Well, tomorrow Uncle Ben and the boys get together for a little while, and they start 2 days of meetings. All eyes will be on them. Will they cut rates again? There's a general consensus that rates will be cut. We saw South Korea last night with the biggest rate cut they've ever done. Overnight, a lot of the foreign exchanges tried to get some things done. We actually looked a little weaker. Then we were stronger right after the opening. Rallied all day long, only to, as I said, get annihilated on the close. NASDAQ down 32.5 on the day. It's just one of these, we keep repeating the same old story. We're actually at 5.5-year lows now, by the way. So we'll have to see what tomorrow brings us. This is an interesting market. We've been beating the same themes time after time. You got to stay small, and you do. It's been a little bit frustrating. I recognize that. We'll see what we can do in the morning. And like I said, we'll watch Ben and the boys over the next 2 days. I would expect trading to be a little bit thinner over the next 2 days, but there will be some opportunity after this rate cut. One historical thing to keep in mind. The last Monday in October, which thank God we just went through after this month, tends to be a very ugly day in history, but it also tends to, the week that follows tends to very often be up, and whichever way this week goes, I can't remember the exact statistics, but a very high percentage of the time is how the rest of the year will go. So let's see if we can get some from Tuesday through Friday. Let's see if we can get something up. Alright, as always, thanks for joining us. I'm Joe Kinahan, Chief Derivative Strategist with thinkorswim. Have a great night, everyone. Thank you.